everyone, today I'll be showing you guys how to make a roasted radish. Let's go into it. Firstly, with my ready washed radish, I'm going to cut off the top and the bottom and cut down the middle and place it into this bowl. So the seasonings I'm going to put in is a tablespoon of thyme, black pepper and garlic powder and salt. And a generous amount of olive oil so it coats it all. Then I give it a little mix. Now that's all nicely mixed, I'm going to place it face down into my pan. Now that's done, I'm going to place it into my preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes. When it's all done, it should look like this. If you have any baby potatoes, you could add it into the mix. Now I'm going to tuck in and see you next time.